Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Samarth. I am studying in 3rd B section in Holy Angels High School. I am telling about importance of newspaper. Newspaper plays a very important role in day-to-day life. It tells us that what is happening in our city and world. News stands for East, West, North, South. Every morning, many people read newspaper to start their day. We should read newspaper to learn new words and improve our reading and writing skills. We should cultivate our habit of reading newspaper. It has different sections, weather, sports, education, etc. Especially grandfathers and grandmothers read newspaper. It has different languages. Example, English, Kannada, Hindi, Tamil, etc.